game.
She's staring at me, I'm sitting wondering what she's thinking. Oh, nobody's talking, cause talking just turns into screaming. Oh, you know some yelling over her, she yelling over me, and all that is worse is neither of us are listening. What's even worse is that we don't even remember why we're fighting. So both of us are mad for nothing, nothing, nothing. And we will let it go for nothing, nothing. It should be nothing to love like what we had. And baby, I know sometimes it's gonna rain. And baby, can we make up now? Cause I can't slip through the pain. Girl, I don't wanna go to bed mad at you, and I don't want you to go to bed mad at me. And I don't wanna go to bed mad at you, and I don't want you to go to bed mad at me. No.